we have to make a knife. Wait, not that kind of knife. This kind of knife? Nope, not that kind of knife. How about this kind of knife? Nope, today we're going to do something different. We're going to go something like this. I think it's called a Karambit or Karambit. A combo between a knuckle and a curved blade. You can use it this way and turn it around and use it this way. Pretty cool, eh? Let's get started. So I went ahead and added these 3 pins in, more decorative than anything else. The PL Premium, the PL Construction Adhesive did just fine bonding this, so there's really no worry about that. So I added the pins, more decoration, but it's a traditional kind of thing that you would do. I did a vinegar bath, etching the surface of the material, and I also did a linseed oil coating on it as well, just to protect it against rust. One thing I would warn, if you're going to use a saw blade like this, it is really tough stuff. The saw blade that I was working with was an industrial thickness saw blade, industrial grade saw blade, just a different quality of steel. So it is, it's not something I would really recommend. Probably should go ahead and buy something that's already annealed. Work with that, because it was just really tough to drill through, as you could see from some of the images of the drill bit that I was working with. So in a follow-up video, I'm going to do a leather sheath to conceal this and hold it onto your belt. I'll do a final sharpening, and I'll show you how to use it. Show you how to use it to cut something or hit something. Really, this is more for decoration than anything else, but it can be used. And this is how it fits into the hand, both in this orientation and this way. So it fits my hand just fine. If you're going to do a design like this, you're going to have to measure the diameter of the holes just right to get it to fit your hand or whoever it's built for. If anybody's interested, I used a wood called African blackwood for the handles. It's something I'd had hanging around for like little lathe projects for handles of different things. This material is incredibly tough. It's full of different sand, debris, silica, that type of thing. So it's really difficult to work with, really difficult on your power tools. Lathe tools, for example, it's really difficult on them. So if you're going to use something like that, just be aware you're going to have to do a lot of sharpening. And but other than that, it looks great. It's going to be a long-lasting handle. It's going to wear really well. Feels good. Has really nice smooth inside corners here that I added so that it's comfortable in the hand. And the same goes for the outside corners as well. So overall, it's a nice little project. Looks pretty well, looks pretty fitted. Looks fairly professional as well, I think. Just obviously a little bit of tidying up to do on the blade. I'm going to do that after I do the leather sheath because I don't want to cut through the leather at that point, or cut through the wrap. But it's pretty sharp already. So guys, if you like the video, please click the subscribe button down there. And if you could comment, it would really help me out a lot for making future videos and just for getting some inspiration. If you've got other ideas of different videos you want me to work on, please let me know. And any comments on this particular one, again, let me know. It'd be great to have some feedback on that. Take care. See you again.